Alright mga idol, magandang hapon. Good afternoon to everyone. Yan. We're going to on the site. There's Buddy Bill. Phil, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say Buddy, say hi. Okay. Yan. Travel na kami. So 6 hours more or 7 dun sa site na ating maghahuntingan namin. So yan. So yan. So time check 3:20. Malayo pa yung namin.
Yung ulo ng charger ba?
Anong phone mo?
iPhone eh. Hindi yung pinakaputing gano'n. Sinasaksak na.
Nalimutan mo?
Meron dito na ito.
Tayo. Ayan. Napakaganda ng weather. The weather is good. Sunny. Good for barbecue. And drink some whiskey. Ay. Some whiskey.
Barbecue beer and bears.
All right, barbecue beer. All right, nice. So hopefully we catch one, or we wish all of us will catch bear. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. See you soon. Next.